Hi, today we are going to learn about to recognize and describe three-dimensional shapes. 3D means three-dimensional. 3D shapes are solid shapes and have three dimensions, that is, length, width, and height. These shapes have vertices, faces, and edges, as shown here. A face is a flat surface. An edge is a line between two faces. A vertex or a corner is a point where two edges meet. Let's learn about the properties of different 3D shapes. First one is a cuboid. A cuboid is a 3D shape made up of rectangles and squares. A cuboid has 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. Next shape is a cube. A cube is a box-shaped solid object. It is made up of squares. A cube has 6 faces, all of which are squares. It has 8 vertices and 12 edges. Next one is a sphere. A sphere is a round in shape like a ball. A sphere has just one curved face. Next is a cylinder. A cylinder is a can-like 3D shape. A cylinder has 3 faces, out of which 2 are circular and 1 rectangular. It has 2 curved edges. Next is a cone. A cone is a cap-like 3D shape. It has 1 circular face and 1 vertex. Now, let us answer a few questions here. Identify the shape that has 3 faces, out of which 2 are circular and 1 rectangular, and it has 2 curved edges. So the answer is, it is a cylinder, since a cylinder is a can-like 3D shape and it has 3 faces, out of which 2 are circular and 1 rectangular. Also, it has 2 curved edges. Question 2. A cuboid has blank faces, blank vertices, and blank edges. A cuboid has 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges.